Hey guys, I've changed my setup, hopefully for the last time, and here's the way it works. So over here on the nightstand, it is still the same. So same San Gian, my Bearcat,
Extreme Western Allegheny,
because I love it. But things change. Well, sorry, and the zone guard is still here in the same spot, still on channel 1.
Statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. Flash flood watch is canceled. The flash flood watch continues for portions of D.C., Maryland, and Virginia.
And that is WXM73. I have no clue why they're running that, because I don't think any of the counties are covered by that. Thanks, shoes over here. So now, over here on the dresser is only my Recom R1650C, which, let's see if it's still getting it. I know. I know.
Yeah.
I know. It's Ryan. Dave. But anyways, Recom on channel 6.
Are some moderate flood stages looking along small streams and creeks in south central Pennsylvania. You should monitor
This is WWG
and be
53
prepared to take action should flash flood warning be issued.
from Huntington.
At 4 p.m., the center of Tropical Depression Ida was located near latitude 32.6 north, longitude 93 west. The depression is moving toward the north-northeast near 9 miles per hour. A faster northeast
I can go on channel 5.
mostly sunny. Wind is equal out. Tonight,
Channel 6 is a little more consistent. But over here, and over here in the window is my 911.
for considerable flash flooding of creeks, small streams, in urban areas, but also
Fuck you.
broadcasting.
It's on channel 5. Let's see if I can get channel 6 on it. So I'd like to have a secondary radio on channel 6. Shit. Pam?
Rain was
I know why you're in here.
No, I'm just putting a pork chop in there for you.
Okay.
Call me back.
I know.
With the weather.
Hey, I'm gonna get my shirt in a moment, but hey, Pam?
Yes.
While you're in here, no, come here quickly.
What?
One of my radios is on channel 1 and it doesn't get a signal. So basically, can you just be my eyes for me?
Yeah, I can be your eyes.
It's over here. It's might be a little hard to see.
Yeah, can I pull it out just a little? There. That's good, honey.
So what am I currently on?
It looks like you're on. What is that? It says. What says?
Here, you know what? Here, basically, the reason why I can't put it on super far is because I actually have the antenna running up the back of the shelf.
Oh.
So I'll just put that down, whip it out.
Okay.
So, you ready now?
Okay. Weather alert 12:13. It says 1.
Oh, I have
Wait.
one on 2.
Weather alert on 12:13. I don't put it on 2.
What's on now? Here. What's it say?
I don't know what that is. Like an X? Not an X, but 2 2 dots up there, 2 dots at the bottom. Siren low, 1213. Channel. Set, clock setting now.
Man, what button is that?
That's an arrow pushing towards the right. It's an arrow. Enter. Program. What, honey? When we come back in, we'll get you a snack, alright?
I'll wait for you.
Yeah, wait for me in the kitchen.
What's it on now?
Siren low.
Is it on high now?
Just says channel. That has no channel. Channel 1, channel 2. Now she's back to channel. Siren high.
Okay.
You alright then?
Yeah, well, what else is there?
That's clock setting.
Okay.
Weather alert 1 to 12.
Okay.
Okay. You're good, honey.
It's actually nice to know with the antenna coming down, but I'm gonna
That's
jam
right.
the antenna back up here.
Now, when you get done with that, I want you to get a shower.
I
okay?
know.
Alright, baby.
Ronnie came in and told me, and I was going to get one.
This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of eastern West Virginia.
We're just in the boys. Where is Barry?
See ya, Pam. But anyways, over here I've finally built my bookshelf, and here I've got my 300 version 8.
A flash flood.
It's on channel 2 now.
In north central Virginia from Wednesday morning through early Thursday morning. 10 miles an hour.
Channel 1 now. Motorola.
Gusts from thunderstorms or instant.
Channel 2.
Are possible Wednesday into Wednesday evening.
Channel 2. MIDI 100.
Spotter active over the next hour day. Hours.
On channel 1. My 519 on channel 2.
Wednesday morning through Thursday morning. 30%
Can't get you.
watch continues. Including
Down here's mine. 74210.
Huntington, Juniata, Lancaster, Lebanon. On tour, Northern Center.
Only mine on channel 2.
Snyder, percent.
One on channel 2. And over here's my 2478 on channel 2.
Thursday morning through Thursday.
And my one, so my 400, which is not plugged in. My 30s were on channel 1. On my zone guard, my 100. My 991. You know what? Oh, the Synergy and
South Central Pennsylvania. Warnings be issued.
yeah, the setup's changed because I built a bookshelf.